Hey believers, welcome back to our channel. You might be wondering why I'm doing a video in a saree today, right? We have a Diwali event in our town and we'll be attending it. So I wanna do a get ready with me video so you guys can see how I got this look. I'll be using very minimal products as less as possible, and I'll be showing you guys how I got this look in a detailed process, so make sure you watch till the end. If you're not a subscriber and if you're watching this video, please check few of my other videos, and if you like them, please do subscribe. It'll give a lot of motivation for me. And without any further ado, let's start with the makeup first. Okay, I have already cleaned my face and applied the toner and serum. So I'm gonna start with applying the moisturizer now. I'm using this nail repair cream, which is also a Korean brand. As winter is coming up, it's getting super chilly here and my skin is getting extremely dry, so I have to apply double layer. And after moisturizer, make sure to always apply your sunscreen. It's a must before you go out. This Kosas sunscreen is my favorite. As you can see, like I have almost used the entire tube. This also like kind of gives you a shine and it doesn't give you that grey finish, which I love the most about this sunscreen. If you are in India, you can also use the Mamaearth sunscreen. I have been also using that and it's great as well. Basically today we are going for a Diwali event, so I make sure I applied the sunscreen, but I'm very excited for this one. And also I'll be wearing that saree that I've shown in the intro. It's a silver saree, so I basically wanted a glowy look but not too much makeup on my face. So my skincare is basically done. Now I'll move on to the makeup. All I'll use is this RMS Uncover Up Concealer. Basically it's a concealer and also you can use it as a foundation. I'm not a huge fan of foundation. I still don't use foundation, but I just use this one. This also like basically to cover up my under eyes and to cover up like any dark spots that I have or pimples that I got. So what I basically do is I just take a little bit and apply it to my under eyes. And I use this finger since it blends really well and I don't have to use any brush. And I don't know if you guys know about this RMS brand, but it's basically like no chemicals and it's made of fully natural products, and I try to use chemical-less makeup. Also, I have done a full video on my skincare routine. If you're interested, please check the link in the description. Since I have a little bit of darkness around my mouth area, I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Just wait till the end for the results. It will all blend up. As much as you blend, the product will look really natural on your face. And if I wanted like more coverage, I also like add a little bit to my face. None of these are like sponsored products. I bought them with my own money. If you're wondering like why I'm looking different, I actually tied my hair back since it's coming in my way. And always like pick a foundation that is right match to your skin color, but concealer you can go like one point lighter. This is almost my skin color, so I'm just using it both to cover the dark spots and also as a concealer. And next up, I'll be applying this MAC stroke cream. This is the magic product. This is the one that gives you that glow. So I take a good amount, this much. Again, I'm using my hands and blending it. We can just apply this right after the moisturizer if you don't have any dark circles or any spots. So absolutely love this one. Can you see the difference on the camera? I don't know. I'm not using the front camera, so I cannot really tell. But I can see it here, the glow that it's giving me. I want to show you guys like you can also achieve the same glow and same look without using way too many products. I forgot to mention this, before you start your makeup, make sure you apply a lip balm. The next step is I'm gonna do my brows. Brows can make your look or damage your look, so make sure you apply it so that the eyebrows look very natural. That's the most important thing that people will notice. This is the step where I take most of my time and try to give a natural look to my brows. So I start with like combing my eyebrows first, and then once you have combed your eyebrows, now you can apply like any eyebrow product. So today I'm using this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and for this one, I'm just gonna take a little bit. I usually like start from middle of the eyebrow to the end and give it like a hair-like strokes. I'm not applying a lot of product, but I just keep blending the product that I've applied, so it looks very natural. Now I'm doing the first half of the brow. Don't take any extra product and just use the product that your brush already have. and then give it like a hair-like strokes. So this is the part where you have to be very careful and don't apply too much of the product. Blend any extra product. I'll be next applying the blush. This is also from RMS brand. And I'm gonna just take a little bit and apply it to this cheek area. So you need to smile and just apply it. So now I'm gonna use this same product and just apply it to my lips as well. This is basically a one product for everything kind of it. It gives you that natural pink stain to your lips. You can use the same thing to apply it as an eyeshadow as well. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply it to my lids. And in light, this will also gives you a shiny look. When you apply the blush, make sure you also apply a little bit here so it looks naturally blushing. Like you need to do like a W here basically. One final step I will do is apply a lipstick. If you want a natural look, you can just end it here because we already applied a little bit of this lip shine. But if you want even more defined lips, I'm just using a lip liner first and then I'll apply the lipstick. And once you apply the lip liner, now apply any lipstick of your choice. You can stop at this point. I think it looks pretty good, but I want to apply the liner. I just want to apply a little bit of this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I'm not gonna apply it in the waterline, but I'm gonna apply it below the waterline. And if you want, you can also apply this as a liner onto the top part as well. You can do the eyes part before you apply the blush and the lipstick. That'll be much easier, but I didn't want to initially do it, but I wanted to do it now. So, and the last product, I'll be just applying the mascara. Okay, I'm done applying the makeup now. I think it looks really good. I'm gonna do my hair also, like wear the sari, and will come in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm done doing my hair and my sari. I'm getting really late for the event, so I just want to show you guys my final look and the jewelry that I'm wearing. Since this sari is all silver, so I'm just wearing the silver jewelry. And since it is a traditional event, I wanted to dress up and wear heavy jewelry. So I'm done with my earrings, and this is the neck piece that I will be wearing. And finally the bangles. This is also silver. Yeah, that is it guys. I'm done with everything. So let me know in the comment section if you like my look, and I wanted this video to be very minimal as possible. You can also like skip some steps if you don't like them. I just tried to create the makeup look with as minimal products as possible, and also I tried to use natural makeup. There's also like very good natural brands in India as well. Check them if you're interested. They'll be really good for your skin. And before I go to the event, you guys know what to do. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And also I post new content every week, and every week I try to be something different. Last week I posted content about Diwali DIYs that you could do. So if you're watching this before Diwali, make sure you also check that DIY video. I have shown like super simple 6 DIY ideas that you could easily do with the items that you already have at home. So give it a go and you will absolutely love that video as well. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me, even though it could be a small action for you. And that is it. Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Be safe when you're dealing with the crackers. And I'll see you guys next week. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.